Welcome back to another tutorial video section, and in this video I want to show you how you can create your campaigns on Orange Mail autoresponder or mailing software. Okay, so when you log into Orange Mail, this is the first thing you get to see, which is the dashboard. All right, so I've explained previously what the details on the dashboard are and how and what you expect to see on the dashboard. All right, so I'm going to go and click on the campaigns section right here at the top bar. You can see the campaigns option right here. Okay, I'm going to click on it right now, and then let's see what we have there and exactly how we can create our campaigns and send out our campaigns. Actually, I'm going to send out a test campaign. All right, I'm going to send out a test campaign. All right, so I'm going to send out a test campaign, and right here on this page you can see that there is a list of created campaigns that I've sent out, and you can see this very one was sent recently, and that is why it is on queue. All right, so I'm going to send out a test campaign, but I'm going to delete this one first of all. All right, so I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so I'm going to send out a test campaign. First of all, let us create a new campaign. I'm going to click on the create campaign button right here. Okay, as you can see, we have two options right here. We have the regular and we have the plain text option. The regular option is the more popular option where you get to input your text and then the image and then the links. All right, but the plain text option is just the one where you get to put in only text. All right, so you choose anyone you want by clicking on the choose button right here. You choose anyone you want by clicking on any of these two buttons. I'm gonna choose the regular option. I'm going to choose the regular option, and then when you click on the regular option, it brings you to this page, and we have a list of steps that we need to carry out before our emails will be sent out. Okay, first of all, we have to choose the recipients. All right, you have to choose the recipients. I'm going to choose the list I have uploaded, which contains one subscriber, which is my email address, this very one right here. Okay, this very email address right here. So I'm going to choose that's a particular list, and I'll click on the save and next button right here. Look at the save and next button right here. I'm going to click on this button right here, and when you click on it, it takes you to the next step, which is the setup stage. Okay, you have to give your campaign a name. I'm going to give it test mail. Mail from Orange Mail. All right, so that is it. That is the campaign name. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to copy this, copy, and I'm going to give it the campaign name of test mail. Then I'm going to give the email subject this name. And I'm going to add the from name. I'm going to call it Frank because that's my name. Then I'm going to choose from, remember I showed you the the sending domains. Okay, the sending domains are now listed down here. When you click on the from email, you see the list of the sending domains. Okay, these emails that you see here are the ones that I uploaded on the sending domain option. Okay, so when you upload it there, you get to see all the sending domains here, and then you can choose anyone you intend to send this particular email with. All right, so I'm going to just choose anyone at all, and then I'm going to use check this box, which is you sending server default value, or you can enter another email address that you want to receive a reply to. All right, so if you don't want to receive a reply from your customers or from your clients to this same email address, you can choose a different one. All right, but I'm going to check this box so that the responses can come to this particular email address too. All right, so after I've filled all these particular options, you can read through all these options right here and choose the boxes you want to check. And then because I want to keep track of my opens, I'm going to check that. I want to keep track of my clicks, I'm going to check that. I want to add DKIM signature, I want to check that. And then I want to add custom tracking domain, I'm going to check that, or I can leave it unchecked as well. So when you're done with this, you have to click on the save and next button right down this particular place. You click on this button right here, and then when you click on that button, it takes you to the next stage, which is the template. Okay, this is an important stage. Now we have to choose one of these three options. Okay, the first option there says viewed from a layout draft. customize a template or upload a new template. All right, I'm going to choose the customize a template because I want to use the already provided templates that are on the platform. Okay, so you can choose any of these. So you can see we have three default templates that we've provided for you, and then you can upload as much as you want to, or you can create new ones right on this platform. All right, so I'm going to choose one of these ones, and then I'm going to edit that particular template. All right, so as you can see, I have two options. I can use the email builder pro, or I can use the email builder classic. All right, so right from the name, you know that this one is a paid version while this is a free version. Okay, I'm going to choose the free version, which works just perfectly. Okay, it works very perfectly, and then we're going to see how that works right now. All right, so here we go. So this is the templates right here, and I can edit every single thing. Okay, I can edit every single thing from the images to the text and to the number. And then when I'm done editing everything on the templates, as you can see, everything is editable. Everything is very much editable. Okay, when I'm done editing everything here, all right, I'm going to try to edit this particular text here and add thanks for being a subscriber. Okay, so that is just a change I just made. Let me change this to 20th of April, which is today's date, 2022. All right, so we want to stay up to date. So when you're done doing this, you can just click on the save option right here, which is what I'm going to do. So when you click on the save option, it saves the templates with the changes that you've made into it. And then right here you can see we have the option of adding an attachment. Okay, you can add an attachment which can come in form of a file or something that you want to go alongside your email address, your email message to your subscribers. Okay, so you click here and then you can upload file from your system. Okay, when you choose a file, you click on upload, and then when you're done with that, you have to now click on the next button right here. Okay, so it brings you to the schedule section. Okay, so you can choose a date that you want to schedule your email to be sent. All right, and when you choose a date, I'm going to choose the 20th, and I'm going to choose the time, the hour to be 0. I'm going to choose the minute to be 0 as well. Okay, as you can see, I want you to take note of this. This section is for the hours, all right, while this section is for the minutes, and this is for the hour. The first section here is for the hour, while the second section here is for the minutes. Okay, take note of that, please. So as soon as you've chosen this and then you're okay with the changes you've made, you click on the save and next. I chose 00 because I want this email to be sent immediately. All right, so it brings you to this page, which is the confirmation page, and then you can now review everything that you have done. If there is anything you had done wrongly, you will see it shown up here. If you had done something wrongly, it will be showing an X sign here. Okay, so since everything is done correctly, that is why we can see we have a tick sign there, which means that everything is good to go. And when you're done with this, you can choose to send a test email. Okay, you can choose to preview your email, or you can choose to send it anyways. I'm going to click on send. All right, I'm going to click on send, and then you can see this is the email we just created. There was a mistake in the title, in the caption of the campaign, but nonetheless, this is the email we just created now. I'm going to give this some time. As you can see, it is on the queued option. It is still queued. I'm going to give it some time, and as soon as it is sent, I'm going to show you exactly how that email looks when it shows up in my inbox. All right, so let's give it some time to send, and then when it's done, I'm going to show you that same email in my inbox. All right, okay, so as you can see, this is the email that we just sent a few minutes ago. Okay, this particular one right here, you can see it's got in at 12:10, and the time right now is 12:11. As you can see down here, okay, you can see the time right now is 12:11. and this is the email that we just sent. Okay, as you can see, it appeared to be in the promotional tab of my inbox. I'm going to open it right away and let's see what it looks like. Okay, here you go. So as you can see, this is the email that we just wrote down together, and I just sent it. As you can see, this is how it looks like when it gets into your subscribers inbox. You can see that there are some dummy tests down here. Okay, there are some dummy tests down here, and these are the changes you're expected to make before you send out your email. Okay, so this is exactly the processes that it took for me to send out an email. Okay, so I believe that with the knowledge you've gained now, you are able to use the Orange Mail platform to send out your own emails. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Have a great day.